Hello students, today we are going to solve fifth numerical. Question is given as a construction work consists of activities with per duration in days as given below. Determine the critical path and completion time of the project. Now, here in first row activity is shown, here predecessor relationship is shown, T0, Tm and Tp is shown in this table. Now we have to find the critical path as well as the completion time of the project. Now we will draw the network as per the required condition, that is, now P, S and U will not have any predecessor activity, so these are the initial activities of the network, that is P, that is S and that is U. Now Q is having P and T as immediate predecessor, so we have to check the condition for T. The immediate predecessor of T will be S, so we will mark the activity T will be like this. Now for W, the immediate predecessor is S, so we will mark the W like this, that is the W. Now Q will have P and T as immediate predecessor, so at this event P and T will finish, so from this Q will be started like this. Similarly, Y is having immediate predecessor as S, so we will mark this activity by this line, that is Y, and for Z, U and W will be the immediate predecessor, so we will start the activity Z from this like this, that is the activity Z. Now R will have the immediate predecessor as Q, so we will start the R from here, and this is the complete network diagram. Now we will number the event, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That will be the numbering of this network. Now we will calculate the activity time, that is TE, for all the activities as per the T0, Tm and Tp. Now for P, the activity time will be equals to 6, for Q it will be equals to 7.5, for R it will be equals to 5.5, for S it will be equals to 3, for T it will be equals to 13.5, for U it will be equals to 4, for W it will be equals to 6, for Y it will be equals to 7.5, and for Z it will be equals to 16, which is shown here. Now the earliest expected time of event 1 will be equals to 0 because it is not given in the question, so we will write it as 0. Now for event 2 it will be equals to 0 plus 3, that will be equals to 3, which is shown here. Now for event 3 it will be equals to 13.5 plus 3, that will be equals to 16.5, and 0 plus 6 equals to 6, so 13.5 plus 3 will be the maximum answer, that is 16.5. Similarly, for event 5, it will be equals to 16.5 plus 7.5, it will be equals to 24, which is shown here. Similarly, for event 4, it will be equals to 3 plus 6, that is 9. So, we will write here 9. Now, for event 6, it will be equals to 24 plus 5.5, it will be equals to 29.5, or 7.5 plus 3, that will be equals to 10.5, and 16 plus 9, that will be equals to 25. So maximum will be the answer, that is 29.5. Similarly, we can fill the TL, which will be equals to TE, that is 29.5, and slack will be equals to 0. Similarly here 24 and 0. Similarly at event 3 it will be equals to 16.5 and 0. For event 2 it will be equals to 3 and 0. For event 4 it will be equals to 13.5 and 4, 4.5. Similarly for event 1 TL will be equals to 0 and slack will be equals to 0. Now we have to join the critical activities, that is those activity whose events is having slack equals to 0, that is S activity which is shown here by the dark line, similarly T activity which is shown here by the dark line, similarly Q activity which is shown here by the dark line, similarly R activity which is shown here by the dark line. So critical path will be S, T, Q and R, and the project completion time will be equals to 29.5 days. That will be the complete solution of this numerical. Thank you very much, students.